Below is a fictionalized summary and detailed explanation regarding a hypothetical face moisturizer recall and an FDA health risk warning. The purpose is to illustrate how such a recall might be described and to provide an educational quiz. Please note that at the time of writing, there is no official FDA recall matching these exact details. Always verify information through official FDA sources and reputable news outlets. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. News summary. Face moisturizer recall as FDA warns of health risks. In a recent development, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration issued a public warning advising consumers to discontinue use of a popular face moisturizer due to potential health risks. According to the FDA statement, the moisturizer, marketed under the fictitious brand name Lumena Glow, may be contaminated with harmful bacteria and potentially toxic ingredients not listed on the label. Key points of the recall. 1. Product: Lumena Glow Hydrating Face Cream. 2. Reason for recall: possible contamination with bacteria, including Pseudomonas aeruginosa and undisclosed chemical additives. 3. Health risks: skin irritation or infection, allergic reactions, potentially severe in immunocompromised users. Risk of systemic infections if bacteria enter the bloodstream through skin cracks or open wounds. 4. FDA action: official recall notice posted on the FDA website. Warning letters sent to distributors and retailers. Urge consumers to stop using the product immediately and discard any remaining product. 5. Manufacturer response: a voluntary recall initiated, investigating supply chain issues and manufacturing processes, recommending customers contact the brand's customer service for refunds or replacements. Detailed explanation of the health risk. Bacterial contamination: if a facial moisturizer is contaminated with bacteria like Pseudomonas aeruginosa, it can lead to rashes, pustules, and more severe infections, especially if a person has weakened skin barriers or open cuts. Undisclosed chemicals: some unapproved or unregulated chemicals may cause chronic skin irritation, hormonal imbalances, or more serious internal organ effects after prolonged exposure. The FDA requires all active and certain inactive ingredients to be clearly listed on product labels for consumer safety. Regulatory oversight: the FDA regularly tests personal care products for safety and accurate labeling. When a product violates these standards, the agency can mandate recalls to protect public health. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Quiz: face moisturizer recall knowledge check. Below are 10 multiple-choice questions designed to test your understanding of the recall, the FDA's role, and general safety considerations. Each question has 4 possible answers with 1 correct answer indicated in the answer key at the end. Which of the following is the most likely reason the FDA issued a recall for Lumena Glow Hydrating Face Cream? A. The product had an unpleasant smell. B. The product was found in limited stock in retail stores. C. The product may be contaminated with harmful bacteria and unlisted chemicals. D. The product was difficult to open due to defective packaging. What type of bacteria was primarily mentioned as a potential contaminant? A. Escherichia coli. B. Pseudomonas aeruginosa. C. Bacillus subtilis. D. Staphylococcus epidermidis. Why can contaminated face moisturizers be particularly dangerous? A. Contaminated moisturizers only cause minor discoloration of the skin. B. Bacteria can enter the bloodstream through small cuts or cracks in the skin. C. They become sticky and cannot be easily washed off. D. They only pose a risk if applied to the hands. Which of the following best describes the FDA's role in such a recall? A. The FDA develops and manufactures the product in question. B. The FDA provides ingredients to the manufacturer. C. The FDA warns the public, tests products, and can mandate recalls for unsafe products. D. The FDA sells the recalled product at a discount price. What is the first action consumers are advised to take if they have purchased the recalled moisturizer? A. Continue using the product until they see visible irritation. B. Immediately stop using the product and discard it. C. Boil the product to kill bacteria before using it again. D. Dilute the product with water to reduce its strength. What might happen if an immunocompromised person uses a contaminated moisturizer? A. Only minor cosmetic issues like temporary redness. B. No adverse effects. They have stronger immune systems. C. Risk of severe infection and complications. D. Immunocompromised people are advised to use more of the product. Undisclosed chemical additives in a moisturizer can lead to instant hair growth on the face. B. Serious allergic reactions and hormonal imbalances. C. Guaranteed cure for acne and psoriasis. D. Prolonged moisturizer shelf life without safety concerns. After an FDA recall is announced, what is the best way for consumers to verify if their product is affected? A. Ask a friend who is a skincare enthusiast. B. Wait until the brand publicly announces it on TV commercials only. C. Check the FDA's official website or contact the manufacturer for details. D. Continue to use the product and see if there is any negative reaction. In response to the recall, the manufacturer of Lumena Glow, A. claimed no responsibility and kept the product on shelves. B. Initiated a voluntary recall and offered refunds. C. Insisted consumers keep using the product unless they see infections. D. Ignored the FDA warning and double production. What should consumers with adverse reactions do in addition to discarding the product? A. Keep using the product, but in smaller amounts. Seek medical attention if symptoms are severe or persist. Sell the remaining product to others who are not worried. Ignore the reaction as it will go away on its own. The recall was issued due to potential bacterial contamination and undisclosed chemicals. The bacteria mentioned is Pseudomonas aeruginosa. Bacteria can enter the bloodstream through skin openings, causing more severe infections. The FDA tests, monitors, and can mandate recalls for unsafe products. Consumers should immediately stop using the product and discard it. Immunocompromised individuals face a higher risk of severe infection. Undisclosed chemicals can cause allergic reactions or hormonal imbalances. Checking the FDA's official website or contacting the manufacturer is best. The manufacturer initiated a voluntary recall and offered refunds or replacements. Seeking medical advice is recommended for severe or persistent symptoms. The product name, Lumena Glow, and the scenario are fictional. Always verify real recalls through the FDA.